Happy Tuesday. Ay, nako, grabe. Yesterday was crazy. Monday. Ah, di ba ang aga ko nagising, parang I started my day ng mga 8 a.m. Gumising na ako nun, pero hindi pa naman ako bumangon. But anyway, dire-diretso na yun hanggang 7 a.m. Pero nagpamassage ako yesterday before mag-work. Before mag-start yung work. Sobrang galing ng masahista ko.
Sino naman kausap mo? Yung kausap mo? Puta.
Sino kausap? Hey, handsome. Oh, so yun, nagagwa siya ako. So, this is my Sunflower Beauty Oil Lux. And then, for my lips, yung Sunny's Face Lip Glaze. You know, ang OA, araw-araw ko to ginagamit. Multiple times a day pa, ha? Pero, ito yung first ko. Ever since binili ko to, hanggang ngayon hindi pa siya ubos. Sobrang dami niyang product. Kailan ka ba binili to? Sobrang tagal na. Siguro, hindi 3, more than, siguro 6 months na. Ang dami pa rin niya. Pero bumili na ako ng restock ko nito. Kasi akala ko mauubos na, pero ang dami pa pala. Bumili ako ng 11-11. So anyway. Ayan, so sobrang pagod ako kahapon. Sobrang daming work. Pero very productive. Ang dami ko natapos, ang dami ko nagawa. Pero madami pa din hanggang ngayon. Actually, buong month na yun. We are closing in December ng busy. So, sobrang busy ko. Hindi ako makapag-record ng videos for YouTube. Nakakainis. Kasi syempre, pagod na ako. So, hindi na gumagana yung utak ko. Kapag yung tapos na sa work, tapos sobrang exhausted ka na, gamit na yung utak mo, hindi magiging quality yung content na gagawin ko kung ganun. Kaya hindi ko alam kung kailan pa ulit ako makakapag-record. Ito nga lang mga vlog ko sobrang dami kong mga weekly vlogs na hindi ko pa din nagagawa. Parang yung weekly vlogs ko simula pa nung June. May actually, meron pa akong Mother's Day na vlog na hindi ko pa na-upload. So anyway, tatapusin ko muna ito. Anyway, that was bad. Hindi ko alam kung mold yun or alikabok or whatever. So we just throw everything. It was bad. Oh, parang feeling ko mamatay ako. Ay, ito. Betadine throat spray. Tingnan natin kung makakatulong, pero that was bad. Anyway, timpla lang tayong breakfast. Hello. Anyway, sa totoo lang, gusto ko lumipat ng bahay. Kasi itong bahay namin sobrang kulob. As in, hindi siya natatamaan ng araw masyado. Well, hindi talaga. Nasa dulo kasi kami ng compound. So, nai-stress ako na ang bilis-bilis magkulog dito. Gusto ko na actually talaga lumipat ng City Hall. Yeah, ayun, actually gusto ko na tumira ng City Hall. Pero, lilipat din kasi dapat kami sa Spain. Pero, wala pa yung papeles ng daughter ko. So, this is my breakfast, yung Glucobest. This is a protein drink. Pero for mga diabetic, kasi this is really healthy, you can get this in Watsons. So, instead na bumili kayo ng yung mga protein drink, like parang yung mga Herbalife, yung mga nauso before, di ba? Yung parang ganun. Instead na ganun, ito maganda kasi mabibili mo talaga sa drugstore to. Tapos low on sugar talaga siya kasi pang diabetic. Pre-diabetic na kasi ako, type 2. So, kaya ako nag-take nito. That's a food supplement. Food supplement yun. Ayan siya. So, I just take 4 scoops nito. Ito lang, water lang. And 4 scoops. Ayan. And then yung water niya, 200 ml. Ayan siya. So, even when I travel, nagdadala ako nito, nilalagay ko siya sa sa Ziploc. Kung nasa Spain ako, isang buong ganito yung dala ko, nilagay ko lang sa Ziploc. Parang nasa 3 weeks ata kami sa Spain. Shake mo lang. Hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng milk. Talagang water lang talaga in this one. Yeah, then I'm good for the day. May mga package na naman tayo na dumating for today. It's Tuesday pa din. Tuesday, December 2. December 2. OMG. First package na dumating ko kanina is yung SanDisk. As a content creator, kailangan mo talaga ng magandang memory card. Nakatry na ako ng mga memory card na yung mga mura-mura lang and hindi talaga siya maganda. So, bumili ako ng SanDisk, yung trusted SanDisk. Yung talagang from their store mismo sa Shopee. And this is yung Creator Micro SD card nila. This is the first time I'm trying this out. This is a 256 gig. Nabili ko lang siguro mga 1.5. Ipa-flash ko na lang dyan sa screen. Ang ganda pa ng color. So, itatry ko to kasi tatlo yung gamit ko. I have my DJI, my Insta360, at saka yung GoPro ko. Alam mo ba dapat ibibenta ko yung GoPro ko, pero ewan. So yeah, this one, SanDisk. We'll try that out. And then next up, may mga binili na kasi ako ng pang-gift for my friends. May Christmas party kami. Hindi Christmas party, parang Christmas chill. Ganun. Oh, okay. So this is my gift for my mom and kay Tracy, yung aking friend and social media manager. Siya yung nag-edit ng mga creator videos ko. Educational videos. So, ito yung gift ko sa kanya. Meron na ako nito. I personally use this. And this is the Ugreen HiTunes S3. Isang purple, isang white. Alam ko may black din siya. So, binili ko to for my mom and for Tracy. And then, this last one na dumating din today is from Sunny Space. Tada! Nakaka-happy talaga ang packaging ng Sunny's Faith. So this is also Christmas gifts for my girlfriends. Matchy-matchy kami. Okay, this one is ano? A major holiday. So, meron siyang Fluffmate Glide Gloss and Lip Tracer. This is for my friend and our operations manager in Next Level Assist, si Abby. Because I always see her na naka-red lipstick. Sana hindi ko guni-guni yun. Pero yes, alam ko naka-red lipstick siya. So, I'm like, this is perfect for her. So, I hope she likes it. And then, I got me myself yung bagong product nila, which is, hindi ko mabasa. Ang dilim. But anyway, this is, oh my God, Glide Gloss? Tama ba? Stay Gloss. Stay Gloss in Lavish. Ang bougie talaga ng packaging ng Sunny's. Try nga natin. Ooh, ang laki ng doe foot. Okay. Gloss nga. Grabe. Andali, ang OA ng pagkalagay ko. Tingnan niyo naman. Ang OA ng pagkalagay ko. Akala ka lip gloss. Yeah, mas mali. Kakaiba. That's a nice color. Perfect. In fairness, bumagay sa akin. Kasi ito na yung pinaka parang mauve color nila eh. With vitamin E and glycerin. Oo, parang ito na. Hindi ko kasi mabasa, may gulay. Pero yeah, parang ito na yung pinaka-mauve nila. Dun sa line na yun. So, ganda. Ganda, I love it. Not my usual color, but okay. And then I have yung Christmas gift ko for the rest of the girlies. Matchy-matchy din kami dito. Ayan. 4. Lahat pare-pareho ng kulay. This is the, ay, kunyemas. Holiday Mini Duo in Merry. Lip Glaze in Merry. Kasi Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ayan, 4 yung binili ko. Operation for my girlfriends. Para matchy-matchy kami. Ayun lang, that's my haul for Tuesday. So, update, di ba bumili ako nung SanDisk na creator card, yung micro SD creator card. In fairness, may kasama siyang 3-month membership to Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. In fairness, ang galing, ayan oh. Amazing. Share lang. Hey guys, happy Wednesday, December 3. It's 10 in the morning. As you can see, wala ako sa aking usual spot. We are on our way to BGC for the GCash event. So this GCash event is yung new feature. Parang ini-introduce nila yung new feature ng GCash na specifically for virtual assistants. Ito yung virtual US account where you can create a US account through your GCash. Tapos doon na ipapadala ng mga clients ninyo yung mga service fees ninyo or yung sweldo. So, makes things easier for us. Hindi na natin kailangan maghanap na pa ng ibang payment platform, pero available na siya sa GCash. So, yeah, we are on our way. I am with my husband. Ano tawag dito? Nag-early out din ako kagabi sa work dahil wasn't feeling well. Ang ngayon, parang magkaka-flu na naman ako, nakakainis. So, yeah, sa ano kami, event, Arthaland. Para sa maganda siyang co-working space. I will bring you along. So, let's go. By the way, yung aking look for today, makeup is lahat yan by Sunny's except for Sunny's face. Except for my lips, which is yung Maybelline Teddy Tint. And ang aking primer, which is Get Ready With Me. Ayan lang. Okay, see you there. Let's go. So we are already here sa may GCash event. As you can see, ito yung co-working space. Ang tawag dito, zone offices. And then ayan ang ating stage. Yung area. Tapos sobrang saya kasi may kasama na siyang food menu or may coffee. Thank you so much GCash. Ang trinay ko is yung sea salt cream latte. This is from yung coffee shop nila. Yan. Ikot natin kayo. So yeah, here is here's the Rebel team. Thank you so much, Rebel team. And then here is the coffee shop. Ayan. And here is the area ng co-working space. Meron pa yan doon, parang may mga private offices pa sila doon. Hanggang doon sa taas. Where this may boardroom din sila. So that is this space. So and then I think you can rent it out also for mga events katulad nitong sa GCash event. Super fun! I am feeling under the weather, pero ilalaban natin to. Oh, and then yung coffee shop, meron din siyang mga food, and I ordered yung pork floss. Ay po, saan pala akala ko? Bread lang, shal pala. Chika ko lang, I'm very happy. I'm very happy na napapansin na yung freelancing community ng mga brands, mga companies here sa Philippines kasi lumalaki na ang virtual assistant industry. So, we are very thankful na ito na rin, hindi na tayo mahihirapan maghanap ng payment platform na makakatanggap tayo ng pera from our clients. Nasa GCash na lahat. I'll talk more about it or you will see it throughout the rest of this vlog. Hello! Ayan na, nagsa-start na yung event here sa ating GCash. And then, we have mga personalized planner here that we can use care of GCash. Ayan, si Andrea nandiyan na, nagpo-personalize na siya. Ayan, that's for anatomy.
You are G. Yes. Get your number.
I think wrong tayo, diba?
The grade 1.
Hey!
This one, right?
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Okay, so tayo gagawa na tayo. Here's my friend, Andrea. Sa ano lang tayo? Ay, ulan pala. Oh, yeah. Go. Oh, yeah, sure. Sige, go. Hello. Say hi. This is my friend Dana.
Dana.
Dana. Okay, perfect. Buti na.
Oh my God, the vlog.
Yes. So here are the choices ng mga GCash planners by Anatomy. Ayan. You can choose. Ito siya. So if you wanna check them out, I will tag them sa video. Ay, go lang, ma'am. Ay, thank you, madam.
Name it po na.
Okay po.
Last time? Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
So mag-headshot tayo ngayon, care of GCash. So thank you so much, GCash team. Pag ganitong vlogger, kailangan makapalang mukha. Baka hindi ako kaya.
Kung kaya ko, kaya ka.
Ay,
Sabi mo, di ba? Actually, gumanon tayo. Sabi.
They're never ready.
Wait lang, I'll test my lighting lang.
Pagdating sa atin, 23K na lang. Oh my goodness. You know, we are all share in these problems, and it's so interesting to me how we have a full room of people who understand what it's like to be #Kaltas.
Yeah.
But you know what? I am so excited because our newest GCash virtual US account has been actually launched already. It's available in your app. And last year we had a talk with the BSP, DICT, and DTI officially launching it, officially making it available for you. And that said, I mentioned we have two amazing speakers today who will tell us about their freelancing journeys. Yeah, if you have not yet, please pull out your notebook or pull out the Notes app on your cell phones because we will have an open forum later. Pwede kayong magtanong, pwede kayong nag-share ng hinanakit in our field. And of course, in that open forum, we also hope to make you feel like this is a safe space for everybody. So that said, everyone, let us kick things off with someone who has been a true icon. Hindi katsay na icon ha. Icon as in ICON. And she has been the founder of Executive Virtual Assistant Philippines with over 400,000 followers on TikTok and on YouTube. Now get this, she has coached over 5,000 students already, and that, oh my goodness, is a crown on its own. And her mission, this is interesting, her mission is to empower Filipinos to reach financial independence through freelancing. But apart from that, I'm glad to hear that we have shared the same background coming from events and weddings. And the first time I actually talked to her, I felt like she is someone who can lead a team. So please make sure that you pull up your notebooks or your Notes app because everybody here to talk about her journey. Here is Miss Mia Juan. Let's give her a round of applause. Yes, that's the love. Mia, take it away.
Hello, good afternoon. Syempre, hindi natin alam yung oras kasi I work EST time. So,
But for now, Alex, I know that you have explained to us the platform in the future, but I want to call on someone who has actually experienced this and baka ma-encourage niya kayo bumili ng sariling lupa niyo later on. Everybody bringing back on stage, Mia, can you please join us? Give her a round of applause, everybody. We have Mia back. Hello, Diana, Mia. Already as we chill comfortably here on the seat. Now, I'll give you a little bit of lead time to think about your questions.
look at the sky. Oh, minsan lang akong makalabas ng bahay. Wait, music. Again, ayan, look at the sky. Minsan lang tayo makalabas ng bahay on a weekday. Kaya medyo na-enjoy ko ang labas ngayon. Nang may araw pa. Look at that. Ayun, tapos na yung event, pauwi na kami. It's so nice na ang dami nating na-meet na mga freelancer friends. And of course, very thankful tayo kay GCash na nag-i-innovate sila ng mga features nila with this US account, GCash US account, virtual US account. Kung ano-ano ng term yung sinabi ko. But yeah, so later mag-unbox tayo ng mga nakuha nating freebie from the event. We are home. Eating time? Eating time na siya. Eating time? And we are finally home. Pagod. May shift pa. Nakain ng baby boy. Ako iinom ng gamot. Iinom ng Berocca dahil sakit ng ulo ko. Parang it's the flu. Sobrang hina ng immune system ko ngayon, back to back. Before Sikihor, nagka-flu ako. So ngayon naman ulit. So, ilan. Ayan na. Ayan na. Pakita mo nga ang talent mo for eating time. Ayan. Ano. Alin mo ba ako? Berocca time. Ayun nga, pakitaan mo sila, Jack, sa video. Kung gano'n ka ka-excited kumain. Yun na ang kanyang, ano ba yan, pedigree? Sabasa. Ikat. Ikat. Yay! Yummy. Ako naman. Sobrang busy pa sa work. Sobrang busy sa work. Berocca. Thank you, love. Cheers. Pa. Ay. OOTD nga pala namin for today is Shein. Ay, may link din tayo for this one if you want. Tapos siya. It's gonna be in the description down below. Ano to? 2X. I am 100 kilos. So kung nandun ka, kakasya sa'yo 2X. Another parcel ang dumating. So finally, andito na yung recliner office chair na binili ko. From Uhor? Ano naman yun? Gusto ko kasi ng chair na comfortable since I'm always sheltered on my computer. So, I wanted a chair na makaka-relax talaga. Eh, nakita ko to. Tapos affordable naman siya. Tapos meron pang shop discount na 1K. I'm so excited. Sana kaya ko i-assemble to mag-isa. Look. Ayan na siya. Na-set up ko na siya. OMG, I super duper love it. Mababa lang siya pero Kerry Bells lang. Kerry Bells. Ay, nako. Anyway, maglilinis pa ako. Magdi-dinner muna kami. Pero magtatanggal muna ako ng makeup. Saan yung makeup remover ko? Ayan. Paubos na siya actually. Ito yung Sunnies. Sabi ko sa inyo, loyal ako sa Sunnies. Lahat maganda. Grabe. So, ayun yung Sunnies makeup remover ko. Paubos na pero meron pa akong stock ng bago yun. So, ito yung ginagamit ko to remove the makeup. Bago ako mag-wash ng face. Diba? Tapos, pag nag-wash naman ako ng face, yung duo ng Skin 1004 yung ginagamit ko. Yung oil muna. Tapos yung face wash. Color brown. Hindi ko na mabibidyohan yun kasi nasa banyo. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen. Anyway, that's what I use. See? Kasi syempre dapat na triple cleanse. Triple cleanse. Ang dami alam. At magkakasakit. Kailangan mind over matter. Mind over matter. Anyway, magdi-dinner muna kami. And I need to charge my cam.
Ay.
Anyway, happy Thursday everyone. It's December 4. may sakit ako, OMG. Pero magdi-dinner kami dito sa may lamp quarters here sa Marikina. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Sobrang chill feel. South. But anyway, dumulo na ang gimbal. Ayan. Kami magdi-dinner. Maraming mga restaurants dito na iba-iba. Pero ang favorite namin na restaurant dito is yung kebab. Tapos may banda din dito kapag weekends. Hello. Evening. Ayan, yung mga iba-ibang restaurants. Pero dito tayo sa kebab. Yung favorite namin. Thank you. Here we are, kebab ulit. Good evening. Here's our first order, yung kimadilya. Masarap yan. Tapos may mga sauce. Tapos may kasama na ring iced tea yung drink namin. Let's try this. Kaso wala akong plato. Ito sauce ko nga, parang hindi tayo magkahawakan. Sarap, sauce pa lang.
Tingnan mo na. Tingnan mo.
Hot.
Ay. Dami. Ay.
Here's the rest of our order.
Spinning plate.
Beef kebab at saka chicken. And extra butter. Let's eat. Ay, butter. Anyway, ako nilalagyan ko pa siya ng yung kasama ng chicken is gravy lang talaga, pero ako gusto kong lagyan siya ng garlic sauce ba yan, sweet? Tapos yung rice, wala siyang kasamang butter. Nilalagyan ko lang din ng butter para mas masarap. Hindi na sila samgyup. Yung Japanese food na lang sila. Grabe, sobrang kalat pa ng office ko. But i-unbox natin itong nakuha natin from the GCash event. Freebie nila to. This is Anatomy. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Personalized na notebook. Dalawa yung nakuha ko. It was supposed to be isa kay Ariel, tsaka isa sa akin. Pero I'm gonna give away one of this notebook. to my community. Pero open natin dito. Alam ko nga din dito yung sa akin. It was an experience yung pag-create niya. Kasi mamimili ka eh. This is mine. I think ito yata yung akin. And this is Series 1 Custom Journal by ANTM. Award-winning design. This is the one. Hindi. Ito yung i-giveaway natin. So, isasama natin yung lalagyan. But this is the notebook. GCash event siya. And then we have here EVA or Executive Virtual Assistant for our EVA Philippines community. So this is ayan, may mga stickers din siya. Ito. Tapos, ang pinili ko yung notebook. Yung may lines. Yan. Maganda quality, very high quality. Makapal yung sheets niya. Tsaka ang dami. Tapos may ruler din siya. Yan. Ang dami niyang pages. So yeah, we are gonna give this away. Follow my Instagram account. I'm just gonna link it down below. Please also follow the Instagram account of Anatomy. We'll announce the mechanics in my Instagram account. Okay, so ipapadala natin to sa inyo. Sa mananalo, ipapadala natin sa inyo na naka-box talaga siya so that we can also para talagang nice ang experience. Ayan, ilalagaan natin yung box na yan. Ayan. Okay? And then, let's open naman, i-unbox natin yung akin. Ibang color yung akin. So, there are different colors that you can choose from. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen. It's weird not to be weird. Ayun pala yung ano nila, tagline nila. It's weird not to be weird. Okay. Oh, may identity card din siya nakasama. Oh, ang ganda. Ang social naman. Hindi ko napansin yun dun sa kabila. Pero I'm sure meron din yun. Parang may nakita akong color yellow kasi. But, hindi ko naman na siya tinanggal. So, this is ours. Ito yung akin. It's in a different color. Ayan siya. This is, ayun, may GCash din. And then, Mia. Ayan. Yung letters niya is hanggang 3 lang maximum. Na mint green na ata to. Kasi ayan, beautifully weird. It's so nice. I love this. I'm not sure how much of this retails for. I'm just gonna search for it and then I'll post it on the screen. Oh, di ba ang ganda? Oh, this is nice. History of letterpress. This is so funny. History of letterpress. Ang business kasi ng mom ko, family business namin is a printing press. And ganito pa yung mga machines namin ngayon na nandun sa office ng mommy ko. Kasi letterpress kami. De gasol pa tong mga to. Gasolina. Old school talaga sila. Letterpress printing was first invented in the mid-1400s by Johannes Gutenberg. So, letterpress sila. Ba, ang galing ah. So, ang ganda. Perfect. Smells nice. Anyway. Ayun na siya. Tumatawag yung mom ko. Yes, ma?
Nasira, ano yun?
Yan nga, sabi nga ni Nike.
Ano sinabi sa'yo? May dala akong fried rice at saka 3 tempura.
Thank you so much. 3 pirasong tempura.
3 pirasong tempura.
Okay na yan.
Okay.
Yes.
Ano pa? So, yung nasiraan kami.
Anong-
Tawagan na namin si Noos.
Anong naging problem?
Sabi niya, Mary, yung naglo ko daw yung radyo.
Oh,
Parang naglolo ko, nawawala-wala yung radyo. So, traffic. Ewan ko ano ginawa ni Amir. In-stop niya yata kasi nagluko yung radyo. Pero sabi niya, walang tunog, wala na.
Alam mo, baka meron lang hindi maayos na na-connecting sa baterya.
Sa battery siguro.
Oo.
Eh, wala naman kaming alam. So,
Yeah.
better si Oscar.
Correct, kasi
So, pupunta dito.
pinalitan yung baterya, di ba?
Yeah, sinabi ko nga sa kanya bago.
Yeah. So baka lang merong
connection.
connection.
May sa loob.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nag-work ka na.
mag-work ka.
Tapos sabi ni Papa, yung rent,
Ay, oo nga pala. Bigay ko na sa
kaya
kanya
na lang
ng
yung 5,000 kaya.
kay Amir. Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
Yun, ano pa.
Mm,
So,
no.
see you later.
I'll see you.
Bye.
Love you. Bye-bye. Okay, anyway, it's Thursday. Time to work. Happy Friday! Finally, Friday na. Maglo-laundry lang kami. We're on our way to the laundry with my hubby. Pero may stopover na kami bago mag-laundry. Tambak na yung laundry. Siguro mga 3 linggo na kami hindi nagpa-laundry. And then after nun, pupunta kami sa patahian kasi marami akong ipapa-alter na damit. Diba nga, I lost a lot of weight already. So, ayoko naman bumili ng bago. So, ipapa-alter ko na lang mga pantalon, dress, ganyan. And then, magpapa-alter din ako ng bedsheet. Kasi, dalawang piranggot lang yung bedsheet namin. Yung size kasi ng kama namin is California King. So, hindi nakakabili ng bedsheet dito, dun sa size na yon. So, may mga bedsheet ako na pang king bed. Papatagdagan ko ng tela sa gitna para magkasya siya. Ayun lang, gumagaling na ulit, so sana getting better. So let's go Friday. Yan, dito kami na ay, hindi yan. Eto, hindi.
Ano ba yung sunod?
Etong dalawa lang. Dito kami nagpapa-laundry sa Load and Spin sa may Marikina Heights. Malapit sa Saints ko. Medyo malayo sa amin yan. Pero dinadayo namin. Kasi sa kanila talaga yung pinakamura. Kaya kahit malayo sa amin, dyan kami lagi. Tsaka sanay na sila sa mga damit namin. Kaya yun. Now, next to sa Patahian. Here kami sa cafe. Excuse me. Hi. Yeah, isa pong yung spaghetti longganisa aglio olio. Pero yung sukang Ilocos, naka-separate yun. Okay. Tapos isang yung tinakdakan.
Crispy po or classic?
Crispy. Pero wag spicy kung may spicy man yun.
Okay.
Tapos yung iced ano yun? Meron na kayong, ano yun? Yung bottomless.
Solo lang siya.
Sorry lang. Sige, isa na. Ikaw, so. So, ayun, nagme-merienda. Nagme-merienda kami here sa O Cafe. This is yung cafe ng Olos, yung school dito sa Marikina. Isa sa mga pinakasikat na school sa Marikina. Dito rin ako nag-aaral ng college sandali, pero hindi ko tinapos. So, ayan, here is O Cafe. Sobrang ganda niya and sobrang sarap ng food dito. Yung mga staff dito, naging classmate ko pa ng college kasi yung tinake up ko dito was HRM or Hotel and Restaurant Management. Ayan, and then meron din silang area sa labas. Tapos meron din silang yung nandun is parang venue na pwede niya i-rent. But super sarap ng food dito. Ayan, here are yung mga different food na may pizza, all-day breakfast. Ayan, pwede nyo na lang i-pause. Pero ang favorite ko talaga dito yung dinakdakan nila. Crispy dinakdakan, super sarap. Then, ang titry ko ngayon, itong spaghetti longganisa aglio olio. First time ko ito try yan. So, let's see. And then, ang favorite din namin dito is yung homemade iced tea nila. So, yeah, if you're ever in Marikina, try out O Cafe. Ito yung masarap nilang iced tea. Minsan nagpupunta ako dito para lang mag-take out ng iced tea. Ayan na yung pasta. Ang baho nito. Sweet na kuha mo.
Ano?
Ang baho. Ha? Excuse me. Pwedeng patanggal na lang ito. Oh, thank you.
Hindi nyo nakalagay dun.
Saan? Nakalagay saan? Ha? Ito na yung favorite na dinakdakan. Crispy dinakdakan. Super sarap niyan. Oh my gosh. The best. Ayan ang O Cafe. Dito lang yan sa may Olops. So try it out. We are back home. Guys, lang ako ng office. I've been trying to be like a minimalist for how many years na. Pero sobrang dami pa rin talagang gamit dito sa office ko. Office pa lang to, ha? But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna fix my office. Medyo makalat talaga siya. And I'm ending this week vlog here on a Friday kasi busy din tayo this weekend. Ang daming ganap this weekend. I have yung mga friends overnight na Christmas party namin. So I'll take you along dyan. And then meron din tayo yung networking event ng Leading Ladies tomorrow, kung Saturday. Kaya yun. Pero later, after mag-ayos ng office, let's do a quick recap kung ano ba yung mga ginawa ko as a virtual assistant itong first week of December. So it's Friday!
ito na yung last part ng vlog na to. We'll end this on a Friday kasi nga may event tayo tomorrow. So I will invite you on that. So ano ba yung mga ginawa ko this week? Move natin ako. Ayan. So, right now, I am working for Ready Rolls as the Director of Executive Operations. Mainly more on projects yung ginagawa ko. Projects with marketing. Pero yung team din na under ko is marketing and sales. And then I report directly to our CEO, yung CEO ng Ready Rolls. Now, this past few days or this week, nagkaroon kasi kami ng mga changes sa work. So we had to move some stuff. Good morning. So ngayon, good morning, happy Friday. Nagta-transition din kasi kami from GHL. No, nagta-transition kami to GHL. So doon na namin ngayon nilalagay yung marketing at saka lead funnels. So, doon namin nilalagay yung marketing and lead funnels namin ngayon. So, ang daming information na nilalagay doon. Tapos, so ako, what I was doing is, the whole week was just making sure na yung mga pipeline namin sa GHL was correct. If merong mga automation, if merong mga bagong opportunities na kailangan i-add or categories na kailangan i-add, nilalagay namin. So, madaming meetings with the GHL team, with the different departments, just to make sure na tama yung journey ng mga clients at saka ng mga applicants within the GHL, our GHL CRM. So, yun yung main focus. And then, other things na ginawa ko was some client, hindi naman escalations, pero more on service recovery. There were clients saying na they want to learn more about how to take care of their virtual assistants, how to manage their virtual assistants, how to upskill them, how to make sure na mas maganda yung anong tawag dito, yung performance nila. So I went on some calls with those clients during this whole week. Tapos nagbibigay ako sa kanila ng mga action plans, mga tips on how to work with their virtual assistants, especially most of them first time pa lang nilang nag-hire ng VA. Other things na ginawa ko were kick-off calls with clients. So, wini-welcome namin sila sa Ready Rolls, explaining to them what are the next steps and all of those things. So, those are a few things na ginawa ko. And then, I have some projects that I'm focusing on, especially with marketing and recruitment. Making sure na inaayos ko yung mga projects na yun kasi medyo na-stall siya dahil nga sa dami ng mga fires na pinuput out namin with the recent changes in the organization. Pero ngayon, everybody or people are in the right seat. The right people are in the right seat. That's why things are moving smoother now. We are very, very happy na ganun na yung nangyayari. So we are just really excited to get the ball rolling and be ready ng 2026. So we're going to close the year strong here at Ready Rolls. Now, if you're interested to apply in Ready Rolls and become a virtual assistant, the nice thing about Ready Rolls is placement company kasi tayo. Hindi tayo your typical virtual assistant agency. Meaning, when we hire you here at Ready Rolls and we match you to a client, you work directly with the client. So walang cut na nakukuha ang Ready Rolls sa salary ninyo. The clients pays Ready Rolls for the placement or yung initial payment na yon. So yeah, yun yung ginawa ko this week. So thank you so much for joining me through my whole week. I think ito yung pinaka-first na successful na kompletong week vlog ko. Yeah, if you have any questions or about what happened throughout the week, leave it in the comment section. If you want to apply at Ready Rolls, everything is in the link in the description down below. Meron din tayong all throughout this video, may mga shopping items tayo. If you want to purchase any of those items, it might have been on the screen dun sa mga timestamps na yon, or it's going to be in the description down below. So thank you so much, everyone. I think this is going to be my first Vlogmas ever. So Merry Vlogmas 2025 to all, and I'll see you next week. By the way, nakalimutan ko pala na ipakita sa inyo, di ba bumili ako ng couch, yung recliner couch. Ito na siya. Ayan na siya. I super love it. Initially, ginawa ko siyang computer table, initially ginawa ko siyang computer chair, pero not giving. So, ito pa rin yung computer chair natin, but this is my lounge chair. So, when I watch movies or when I read books, ito na siya. I've always wanted one, and I'm very happy na nabili ko siya. Nabili ko siya ng 4,000 pesos kasama na yung shipping doon. So, if you want to also get this couch, and diba, very aesthetic. Katabi pa siya ng mga books ko. So, this is where I read books, or when I'm watching TV dito, or when we watch movies. My husband and I love to watch movies during the weekends. Yan yung ginagamit ko. So, yes. Bye.